Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So, guys, we have an opening from TCS to discuss today. That is, TCS have put forward an opportunity for 2020, 2021, and 2022 students. So, what will be the graduation type applicable here? Everything we'll discuss in a short while. So, first of all, talking about the registration dates, it's going to end by 9th of November. So, whoever applicable to this, please do mention it at the please register at the earliest. Okay, now there will be selection process like online assessment and interview. So those dates will be announced after the registration date ends. Okay, so now let's move on to the eligibility criteria. So you must be an 18 plus and 28 minus to apply to this particular opening, and you must have a 2 years full-time degree like MBA, MMS, PGDBA, PGDM courses in marketing, finance, operations, supply chain management, information technology, general management, business analytics, and project management. Okay, so these is the qualification criteria with respect to branch and graduation applicable, and the percentage while calculating it must be greater than 60%, taking into account all the subjects from all the semesters during the graduation, post-graduation, 10th, 12th, and diploma if applicable. Okay. Now coming to the background details, you must be BTech BE background prior to MPA, integrated MPA is a must. And this is applicable for 2020, 2021, 2022 pass out batches. And now work experience, if you have any work experience prior to the job role, then that is also applicable here. Now, backlogs. Okay, so before selection process, every backlogs must be clear. That is, selection process have started. The registration is also as an starting of selection process. So you should not have any backlogs like right now. If you had some backlogs and if you just got over it, then it's completely fine. Okay, but you should not have any backlogs anymore. Okay, that's it. Now the extended education, you should not have an extended education. Then gap is okay, less than 2 years gap is fine, but you should provide the supporting documents like what was happening to this 2 years. That also you should have to provide. Okay. Now schooling, you should have completed regular full-time schooling. It is not like you will be registering to a board and writing the exam. A completed regular full-time schooling is required here. Okay. Now coming to the test details, you can see here, yes, 90 minutes is the total duration for the test, and 47 questions is the total questions that you will be getting. A verbal aptitude, 7 questions, quantitative aptitude, 20 questions, and business aptitude, 20 questions. Okay, that's it. So I think you got a briefing about this opening available, the graduation, eligibility criteria, then the test dates, everything. So if you have any further doubts, you can just click on this frequently asked questions, because most of your questions will be answers, everything will be here itself. So still, if you have any doubts, they have provided, like, this is a support team. If you want, okay, you can just mail them and ask them also. This is to change the BPS if you have wrongly created. But if you have any doubts too, you can mail to the same support team. Okay. So that's it. So that's about the details regarding this opening available. Now to apply for that, you can just click on this register now and complete the registration process. So once you click in there, you will have to select you'll have two options. As obviously in Accept portal, when you register, you have two options, like registered for the IT or business. Okay, so how the registration process you have to take care of, that is also given here. You can see you have to first log in. After that, if you have already registered, you can just use that same application, apply for the drive. And if you have not you having a profile, then you can create one profile and after that apply. So once you applied for the drive, you can just track your application, and if it is applied for the drive, then it's successfully applied. If not, then you have to check where the problem have been there and you have to continue with the process. Okay, so you can click on this register now. So these are the two options available, IT and BPS. So here you have to select IT to get into this particular opening. So if you're a new register, you have to fill this full form and create a profile. Then after that, once again, you have to complete the application process, application form, where you have to give all your personal information kind of things. Okay, so you can proceed with it. And if you have already an account, you can log in the same and apply for this particular drive. Okay, so I'll show you the application process as well. So here you can see the application form. So here you'll be having the sections to fill, or your personal information, your education details, in the sense everything, your board of 10, 12th, and graduation, post-graduation, your marks for the same. So my network is not that good. That's why it's taking a while. So yes, it's come up. So other details will be your achievements, your photo, then CV, but like resume, everything. After that, review your application and submit. Okay, so this is the application process as well. So if you wish to apply for this, please to apply it at the earliest before the registration due ends. Okay, so that's all about this. If you have any further doubts regarding anything that I've mentioned in this video, please do let me know in the comment sections, and further sessions regarding the video content, well, welcome to the comment section. So until I come up again, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.